Welcome to Section 3 of our Video Ads video training. In this section, we'll talk about what to look for in a good video ad network, top video ad networks, and other video ad networks to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What to look for in a good video ad network. Indeed, in society today, there could be numbers of ways to advertise something. This can be of great help, especially to those that are in business. One great way to do so is to consider video ad networks. Video ad networks have the ability to connect video advertisers with a number of advertising spaces across different websites. It is a fact that online video is increasing every year and is conquering the online world. Also, there are multiple video ad networks that you might consider. From the options that are provided, choosing the best one should be considered. How are you going to choose the best one? Well, there are a number of things that should be considered in order to find a good video ad network. Pay attention to these factors to help you make the best choice. Multiple screens. Your choice should be able to deliver your video ads and have them look great on a variety of devices. You should ensure that you can reach all your prospects. It shouldn't take long to experience an amazing outcome with peace of mind. Targeting. Geo-targeting, contextual targeting, behavioral targeting, and retargeting are helpful depending on your specific video ad objectives. For this, you have to find one with solid targeting options. Existing customers. When you don't know which video ad network best suits your requirements, you need to consider the existing clients. Research to see if they have similar brands. If so, your choice may be the right one. Analytics. Your chosen ad network should be equipped with measurements and analytic tools to assess your video campaigns. Once you establish preferences in the tools, you will be assured that your video can perform according to your standards or expectations. Different formats. Whether you want a video ad tool that can display your campaigns across a number of devices or different ad formats, there are video ad networks that you can lean a lot on. Furthermore, a choice with various formats allows you to determine the best one. You can employ the one that can help your company. The above-mentioned factors must be considered when you're looking for the best video ad network.